TV mounts for outdoors. There are many ways that you could mount your TV outdoors, either on the wall, on the ceiling, or even on a pillar like this. So ZeboZap has pillar mounting solutions that you could use outdoors.
Some of you are still thinking on how to mount a TV in a gazebo. Well, here's the solution. Get the ZeboZap outdoor TV mount to mount your TV on any types of pillars. Whether it's cement, it's wood, it's metal, it's square, rectangular, any type of pillars. And thanks to the steel frame and powder coated finish, this TV mount is weatherproof and you could leave this TV in any type of harsh weathers. As you can see here, you can easily strap on this TV mount to any type of pillars and next place this TV mount easily in just minutes.
So the only tool that you're going to use to mount this TV outdoors is this screwdriver.